Square counters are one more TLM available in the Maths kit. This TLM is majorly useful for class 1 and 2. However, we also use this for class 4 and 5 to explain data management, factors, LCM, HCF. We use this. We make square counters using EVA foams, or we can make this using thick cardboard. First, let us use EVA foams of A4 size. Let us draw a line. How to cut a shape? Let us learn. Let us cut it using the width of a scale. We go according to the width of the scale. It can be cut using a pair of scissors or by keeping a board at the bottom using a knife. Now, these are known as square counters, but this need not be square always. When counters are made in different shapes, children will be happy to use it, as it can be in different shapes and sizes. Now, I will cut it to make circles and triangle counters. If you have molds like a star, it will be easy to cut different shapes for children. Now let us cut a circle from each square. I have 2 rupees coin. I can draw a circle like this. Wherever possible, it's good to use easily available material. Similarly, I draw a center point in the middle like this. I can draw a triangle too. Different shapes can be made. You can see here, if you leave these 2 pieces on the sides, we got so many triangles. Likewise, let us make circular counters. Like this, we have square counters or counters of various shapes. We have squares, circles, and triangles. Like this, when children make this on their own, fine motor skill and gross motor skill will also improve. Cutting itself is a different type of skill. How children can learn it themselves, these new skills through these small activities. We can see all this clearly.